One love. One love, y'all. This is a shirt, a t-shirt from The Flow on Facebook. Go check her out, The Flow. Some of her favorite sayings. Let me move out this way and let me model the bag for you. Hold up, wait a minute. Come through. What's poppin', y'all? Huh? Go to The Flow. Am I modeling good? I love this shirt. Go to The Flow. I have to ask permission if I can put that, if I can pin her site for these shirts. She told me before, but it's been a minute, so I need to go back and check in. I meant to call her this week, and I still didn't do it, but I will, so I can get permission. These shirts are nice. They're not cheap either, y'all. She has so many different sayings. I like my shirt, so I'm sporting it today for The Flow. So anyway, I'm going to use my Power XL. It does everything. It's a toaster, it's a air fryer, it's a grill, an air fryer, a broiler, it's a rotisserie. You name it, it's on here. So I did some chicken already. I did do some chicken. I grilled, air fried and grilled with a different season. And I'm going to do this again with some jerk. Just some powdered jerk, just for a different taste. So, and I have some veggies that I sauteed in a special sauce that I did a video on it, and I'll tell you about that when we get to it. So, let me lock this thing here, and let's get down. Okay, I was waiting for this to cool off a little bit so I can put the seasoned chicken on here. This is the last of it. I did a video earlier, but for some reason it's not letting me post it. I'm like, when I use my camera to record, it's not letting me post. I don't understand it. I just don't understand what's going on with that. So I'm recording off of my YouTube channel right now. So the only thing I want to do with this right now is just put some jerk powder on it. It has other seasons on here, but I just want to lightly change the flavor a little bit so it don't taste like the first batch. So that's all I'm doing. And I do not own any copyrights to any of this music you hear at all. And I said that on the other video, so I don't know if that's why. I don't know. I don't understand it. Okay. And I'm going to put this in here and let it do what it do. Now on this one, I'm not going to air fry grill it. On this one, I'm just going to grill it. So I'm going to change the dial on here. Okay, I'm just going to do it that way. And we're going to do it again for a good 25 minutes. I mean, I'm going to turn it in between. And then I'm going to turn around and I'm going to do these veggies. Everything is happening with the grill today. So with these, this is eggplant, zucchini, and squash. I have parsley, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. I made a sauce with Bragg's complete soy sauce. I use a little brown sugar. I use mustard. And that's all I did. That makes a nice little sauce for this. So when this is done, we're going to grill these, okay? And I will come back for that. So we're going to grill this batch of chicken. The first one was the air fry grill. And this is my first time using it. You know, I have gadgets that I have and it takes me forever to use them. But this is my first time using it. I wanted to see. Let me turn you back to me. I wanted to see how good it worked. So, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. There's a cookbook to go with it, but the recipes are plain, but you can add to it. So, in case you got this, you know, just elevate the recipes that's in that book. That's all. Do your own thing. Take some and leave some. Take what you need and put the rest somewhere else so you feel you might need it. Huh? I don't know. But I saw some stuff in there that I can tweak and make it pop a little stuff. So that's what I was doing. Oh wow, one of the videos did share. You know what I had to do? Oh my God, I'm so excited. That first video it was able to share. I had to send it to another, one of my private numbers and then post it to Facebook like that. Wow. So anyways, this is the second video. I did the chicken on the first video with just the fried chicken, Chef Carmen's fried chicken, which I'm getting ready to post that first video now. I'm excited. It actually happened because that was a good video. You can see how I did the veggies too. So, yeah. See you later.